Have you ever edited one photo in Lightroom Classic, selected the remaining photos, clicked the sync button, and suddenly Lightroom stopped responding? The synchronization window gets stuck, Lightroom freezes, and the only way to continue working is to close the application using Task Manager. In this video, I'll show you 3 practical fixes that you can try. Start with the first solution, because in many cases the problem is caused by one particular edit setting being copied across multiple photos. Let's begin. Before making any changes, close Lightroom and create a backup of your catalog. Your photographs and edits should remain safe during these steps, but keeping a catalog backup is always a good practice. Fix 1. Update Lightroom Classic. Inside Lightroom Classic, go to Help and click Updates. You can also open the Adobe Creative Cloud application and check whether an update is available for Lightroom Classic. I have already updated my Lightroom Classic, that's why there are no updates. The second fix is to temporarily disable GPU acceleration. Lightroom uses your graphics processor for image rendering, editing tools, masks, and several performance-related tasks. However, an outdated or unstable graphics driver can cause Lightroom to freeze. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then open the Performance tab. Now find the option Use Graphics Processor and choose Off from the drop-down. Then click OK. Now close Lightroom Classic completely and open it again. Now try to sync the photos and check if the issue is resolved. In my case, it did not resolve the issue. Then let's move to the third fix. The third solution is to reset Lightroom Classic's preferences. Preference files store application-level settings. Sometimes these files become corrupted and cause unusual behavior, including freezing, slow performance, missing panels, or tools that stop responding. On Windows, close Lightroom Classic completely. Now hold the Shift and Alt keys together. While holding both keys, launch Lightroom Classic. Keep holding the keys until the Reset Preferences message appears. Click Yes or Reset Preferences. I hope one of these 3 methods helps you resolve the issue as well. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.